So people, a one bagger bangarang a go on panda one ya, cause it look like say Spice get herself in a some deep and a Momo the person and Cheesy woulda say make she get herself in a what she get herself in a, and people do it. RT Boss, Blinga, Queenie, the whole of them start link my people. Remember, Queenie no like RT, you know. At least me not gonna say Queenie no like RT because them did a link. But do we not like RT? Do we not like no Blinga and do it kinda, you know? But do we not like RT? Yes, what me I say. And guess why them a link me people? Momo, none of them no like Momo, and Momo no like none of them. So my people, do we have some things to bust out? You know what I mean? Because you know what people, me not gonna talk it out. We're gonna get in it, but before me go into that, Raja and Cheese they on live, and it's like Cheese I try to tell Raja what go on with Blinga and everybody, but Raja try stay out of it. You know what I mean? So when I go hear a Raja have to say to Cheese, and with Cheese I try, you know what I mean, make Raja know. Seeing? So we're gonna kick it off with people. Make we get tonight, you know.
Short.
Microwave TV.
Can't do nothing. You understand me? Because here I know me and Cheesy Blase are friend, me and RT cool. Me and Cheesy Blase probably be more friend, but me and RT still cool. Me and him not have nothing.
Yeah.
You understand me? So me can't be the, me not gonna get no fun out of it because me can't say nothing. Because RT not do me nothing, Cheese not do me nothing. So what me I gonna say? Me can't say nothing. Me and Blinga's cool, me can't say nothing. So this now it can't entice me. Because me can't lick off no head. Me can't done nobody. Me just have to shut up. You understand?
True.
So that's what I mean by when I say it not nice.
If I ever near somebody right now, me go shut up too.
You
If
understand
them
what
and when me I go say me can't too say nothing.
Exactly. So you get the understanding what me I say. But I don't say for say me I say them I say cause really and truly me not know, and me not understand. I me not want to understand. So me not really try going there. Me not even want
to understand when the mug shot drop when the police them go pick him up. You will understand it better so. Because all them dumb people that think say people are trying to make up the story. Them at the any day the boy go give him blood clot statement, them go pick him up. Oh. The police everything say put Momo want get herself in a federal judgment. Nobody now do that. If you go take up lie, go tell police. The boy is on a recording talking emotionally about how RT take him bottom. The boy enter and take the little boy bottom. Them some are wickedness. A pastor this way the little boy them run to foreclosure and help. And you do that, hey boy, Pastor Smith, you go down. If nobody not tell you, me I go tell you. You have to go down. There's a big blood clot, big old pastor around church. Eh? The kids them is the future, you know, you know. See them grow up big, you know. Where you think them become? Eh? You never did know that. You must always let them lead the blood clot way. Why you want to lead them astray? Yeah, RT did it. He dig up in bottom and things say it's okay. But they not play with you.
I want things go on when me can't talk, you know. Can't bother with the argument them when me just have to shut up. Me just come like a standby. by. Me can't dip in a nothing, me can't buy out nothing, me can't bust my gun. Me have to be quiet. This not nice me. Me can't manage it. But I want new story start when me can't nice.
Right now, no story no nice like artist story. All you try ignore it, me I tell you. That the drunk there, that the dog shit there. Not no nice like artist story when now make it erase. Oh, it now go down your mother them and the classroom too much better. If I somebody else, maybe them would have, you know. But not RT. Diddy, you mad. RT, did you have to go down, man, by any means? I mean, now ease up off of your RT. Did you say could have send the robot them come spam my blood clot chat? Come open up back again now. I mean, like when the people them talk, I read something and bust out a blood clot laugh. Type now, my people, not free up.
So you make
I'm an American
because
boy.
a
So
drama it obvious
keep this
hostage.
and Jamaica. Type and boost VIP. It's like he's American born. Please go back to school because it's free here. You okay? Because I don't know what that you're writing now. I'm an America's a born citizen. Keep this and Jamaica. Bitch, bye. Here? When I give a chance over here, just go on. I can't take the dunceness. My dunce already no blood clot. Don't disturb my bumble blood clot brain. Oh.
That woman is it.
See them come back and watch Jesus Christ. Them can't give me life. The minions are back. Not notice Bling not even come live since no she come
She's
live.
leave
Actually
bling now.
them
Mine a
come
leave
back.
bling, man. She's leave
I
bling
know me
now.
and the people in the comment section, alright. That's why I like when the minions and then not allow the minions them for type. People sub up, guys, sub up now, please and thanks, and type what you want to type. Sub now, guys, and type what you want to type because regardless of everything RT did it, your name stink of blood clot road. And you know if who miss it today will catch it tomorrow because your girl she's the blase now miss a blood clot. Anytime he stop talking, I go die out. Me know the case the way I do, you lie and not get back to you yet. Okay, mother, you trouble me and me trouble you back. Come prove to the world how evil you is. Come prove to the world. Now you first cap on my name. Are you for trip on my blood clot name? You not expect me to stop you, madman.
Alright, so here I just say him no want get in where them a go on with. You see me? But the people wanna tell me one thing because cheese and Momo them a go hard pon that thing, you know. You see me? And that a make me a think say a person can't just a go hard for nothing, so you see me? Although people we not like you and you know what I mean, them go hard on certain things for bring you down. You see me I say? So more want to tell me what you think in the comment section because as me telling no people, do we have something to say and I go hear what I say. So make a watch some more of what Jesus say and then we go over there so.
You mad. Oh, this is too much proof to show you say you want to lap me off. I code up my words.
So all call upon your name now.
Then you hear me tell you RT boss come with one girl make me feel with them for one girl lit down her blood clot. This a
Say
dirty
girl pa. Some madness this the blood clot. Hey.
donkey say the world no level. Look on this young drunkard Tabatia. Look on her. I don't know her from a hole in the wall. When me there England, me know when me there England, me a 41. RT said she was 4 when it happened. And she dey on phone, attack. I don't even get a part of what she has say no. Me not hear no what she has say. Me not hear the voice note there know. Them say play over Blinga live. Right? Over Blinga live, RT play it. No. If you can so wicked for just get up because you want bring down somebody name, if you tell lie on them in a such manner, and the truth come out now, why you think that person the way you tell lie on them not to run with it? Be honest. Somebody said a girl named Lataya Palmer. Who?
So
Who Lara might be able to
oh
me
you
Ola
can't
I might be
do some serious someone want to one another.
Uno do to one another like my blood clot tell for me. You know this a stinking mouth gal ya. Never mean this is a
Me I
drunk
say
gal ya day in my life.
some serious
Eh?
some of this not talk about one another, you know.
Serious something. This a girl that can come up front now and go give a statement about me. But try know we need a lie detector test. That me want. We need a lie detector test. A lie detector test to see who is lying. Or him do it. Him call this bitch from this a girl. Nobody at all from England know she. Nobody at all. Nobody don't know her. Somebody just as she name Lataya Palmer. Which where she come from? Cocoa Bread. I see me I show this a girl how long I gonna tell me that? Where she come from, Cocoa Bread?
Oh my. We not go on the bed, people.
Me not ease up nobody. The biggest, dirtiest, big back, blood clot, shut about drunk up on the ass. The nastiest bab could not buy no room for sweep off the dust where blood clot live in the middle. Like when the man says stick in the middle, make that bumper jiggle. I saw the back stick in, I saw the black stick in your back. Dirty woman, I say your hand shot. You mean to tell me you can't use one rag, one towel rag and slap it on the back and use the next and dry you, not like beard. See now beard there for my blood clot scream people. Me type it
Please.
before. Is it? You have to link me up. Come on, know her whereabouts. Which one she come from, Cocoa Bird? Cocoa Bird, where she come from? Let me know.
See you know cheesy blase.
A big dirty one beard Blinga. When you come for girl, you have to stay good. Look underneath the woman arm.
So
The
we there,
blood clot
cheese.
this.
Cheese take down bling cheese where you
Who fi
have
take down
stop
Blinga?
that.
Close your eye. Shut your eye. Shut your eye, man. Right. I'm glad you're not drive. Shut your blood clot eye. Both take down Blinga. Take down which
Me
nasty
now
Blinga.
have
I'm not take her
friend
down.
cheese.
Me
Me
say shut your
can't do
eye,
this.
Roger. Put her on a dark cause that's all you have to do. I look the other way. Cute.
Mm-mm. Please stop,
Turn the
please.
other way.
Mm-mm.
You know, stop. Fi stop them a drunk here. We live on people like dog. Fi stop with them a dog shit here. Blinga deserve every moment. You see Blinga blood clot and guys who no look over here so. Blinga take up a pound of alcohol in her hand. Blinga did a bleach and bleaching cream turn by you go cuss bad word and use a certain type of cream.
People wanna make me know wanna think cause this year look like say you have not done a done. You see what I say? And me I go make una hear where do we have to say no people. Because right now me I pray. You know what I mean? Me I say Jano, I wonder if sitting go so cause them talk about una go hear Blinga talk about the boy where Momo I say una go hear people. We make we watch some more of cheese and then we go over there so.
Cheese you can't say them things about
What
blingers.
you mean look how Blinga and
When
look? Can you see Blinga and look like he dropping a one little
cheese
tar?
just stop it now, remember me
Stop
there,
what?
stop.
This big baby on the blood clot screen? Stop what? I talk anything about them big trucker back, big back yeah. Double door blood clot fridge, two in a one. Where you say? You crazy. Who not talk about this and nasty rum pump skilling skin, dirty germ. Make me show you who I talk about people. You talk about, stop it. You go shut your blood clot eye when this come up.
Nah, blingers are my friend.
Bring her your friend, invite her to a blood clot dentist. When you like people, you have to tell them the truth. Them your mouth you supposed to call people name. Make a reason. And the fix she go make the fix she. When you lean
Cheese.
over the fix of a
Cheese, me
clear
have
blood
to go.
clot camera,
Cheese,
we
me
say,
down, me done.
done the
Cheese,
blood
me
clot,
done.
shut your eye, me been tell you, shut up your eye long time. This a
Alright, me
woman
have
like,
go with
this a woman
cheese.
that look like she that chew tissue. And the
Cheese, me
tissue
have
just
go.
put out,
Cheese, me
cannot
have it.
eat. A triple road is. Not even when you have double
Cheese, me.
road, it not come out so far. Bling away and quit. I know you're there. Up and way, the top of your
Cheese, me
mouth.
have
Then
it.
your blood clot top of your mouth. This a teeth that come from this a look
Cheese.
right.
Cheese.
In your mouth a alien.
Cheese, me have
Eh?
go home now,
You're
girl.
real Jamaican and your mouth a do the reggae and a blood clot do the chaka in a one. What is this? Farmer screen.
Cheese.
Like to class people, go do your teeth before you do your body big old blab. Go do your teeth. And make
Cheese.
sure say when you
Cheese.
go do your big old blood clot body, you make it make sense. I want 10 round you need. Cause you in a words
Cheese.
with the girl them dolly body where you see. And you big and favor big blue barrel a roll down the road empty. You that blinger. Everything you beg. For your post. Also could have
Cheese,
beg
me
for
have
phone
it.
post.
Cheese,
Me,
me have
nah,
it.
nobody me never hear where you say Raja, where you say Raja. Blinger you done out.
Me a drive, me a
Blinger me
drive
see
home
who you
now.
got Jamaica go take up one cute little batty man. Come now, Blinger make reason.
Good enough.
Guys, me not gonna use
Cheese,
the
me a
word
go
kick
with.
that my bad,
Cheese
excuse me.
later, yeah.
This way you got Jamaica go take up one cute little bull
Cheese.
man. Me tell you flow me, I come out from a blood
Cheese
clot.
and
Like.
some, you know.
Where
Me
say
a tell you
happen?
say later.
No,
Later, yeah.
don't go nowhere, Raja. Where you going? Stay right here, so my angle, big old blab.
No,
Where
man,
you
I have to
talk
go home. I can't stay, man. Cheese.
about?
Later.
Well, this is the thing. When you trouble just rise by you. Them are all close enough for trouble nobody. Make me put up back the picture with the woman back at
Cheese,
the
me love
patch
you,
of
yeah,
black.
yeah.
Weird. Weird.
Cheese, me
You
love you.
can't go away because you see you call me back.
You know, man, I tell me about me can't. You have to change the topic, cheese. You have to change the topic. I can't stay. Blingers not stay then they I make no. You can't do that, cheese. You have to change the topic.
Lady with the big old back, no
Cheese,
blood
the Wi-Fi
clot.
are glitching
Lady
now.
with the big old back, you come out like you're trying to bling your head big, no blood clot, your head big like a booming ball. Your
Cheese.
mama booming ball, with that booming ball, like of your head big like a soccer ball. Bling, I don't talk to nobody again. You can try case, but nobody go try them fat. They will drop off of your blood clot and right stick underneath there. So nobody in a mind neck of the woods
Cheese.
don't look so bad, so
Cheese,
bad.
cheese, stop
Look
it, no
on this
cheese,
your
man.
dirty black here in a
Cheese, me
blinger
a
back.
drive out.
Then
Cheese, hours a touch.
you know say blinger want lick of fab and bleach. Yeah
Me
man.
a go here.
Blinger
Cheese,
have
look
a
here.
linebacker look right here.
Yeah, yeah,
So
me
big
cheese here, watch out.
linebacker,
A police,
cute.
that, cheese police.
No
Me a go.
police cause you're not driving. Make the
Me
officer
a
them listen to me a different thing. Them a go laugh cause them
No,
always
man, I have
like
to drive go home
investigation.
now, for true, man.
Listen now, you see that big linebacker, you have to Lego people blood clad
Cheese,
shirt.
stopping up, blingers, I'm a
Linebacker
friend, you
blinger.
can't do that, cheese.
Linebacker. Big back blinger. When you Lego people shirt, we Lego your back. Move your blood clot in your long time velvet.
Attitude
Blinger,
thing,
what
I
you do
need
with
it
velvet
and
in a
block you.
2024? This is a late picture. And where do you got Jamaica in
Attitude
a
need it and
coast?
block you.
Where
You know, see me
everybody
did I
and their mother
tell the girl, say,
right this
why
so.
she block you?
You left America as
She
a
say,
citizen
right,
and gone on a
cute or
house. And
something
I
like,
look for
oh,
you.
yeah, girl. I mean, I say, what kind of style that? You see me?
That have
Fuck
nothing
me
to
in
do
it
with me
and
when you
block you.
change the moment. Bad to bad. People when they look good enough for blood clot talk about people. Mr. Blinga go back in a 1990 cause you favor Shabba Booga Boots. In a real blood clot life. When Shabba did that say thing and thing and thing and thing and thing. Okay, Shabba, this is Shabba thing. Thing and
Che, che,
Why people? Cheese a beat blinger still, you know. But nah lie. And Raja want lift up for real, you know. But he can't lift up. Cause man blinger good. You see me I say? So when anything go out like all the screen record and them see Raja on the live, Raja make sure you say him a cuss right through for cheese take it down. You know what I mean? But let me know one thing my people. You see me, we are gonna watch some more and then we're gonna go over another hot thing.
cheese,
yeah, like call me the dirty woman. I'm a big and tired I look so. Me no look
cheese,
like market beer, a blood
cheese. Just
clot, a
hear
big of
now.
that. Here.
Cheese.
That
Kim made
is
it
you,
and
blood
block your
clot
key.
blinger. When time you hear hing, I just know say this is Shabbat thing, suckling saying, ting-a-ling-a-ling. You
Cheese.
better step back in time, Blinga, you're too old.
All right, officer, me
You're
I
too
go move,
old.
officer.
That not have nothing to
Officer,
do
me I
with
go
me.
move.
That not
Cheese,
have
officer.
nothing to do with me.
Cheese,
Yeah,
officer.
ting-a-ling. Stay
Cheese,
bad, my
officer,
blood clot,
sister.
boy. You come out
Cheese.
like Ruby the old woman.
Cheese.
You
Cheese,
stay
officer.
bad. Old
Cheese.
folks, they fix you. I know we fix
Judge
that fix.
guy.
Yeah.
Me have to go home later.
Alright, go on, can make a move on to RT Diddy now.
Later,
Yeah.
yeah.
Make up big
Love
up.
you later.
Me love it to my friend. Don't ever think say me stop off from all of your plat card drunk crow. Nah play with it too much, man. Shouldn't trouble me. Peace. I don't know one name so. I remember the Bugaboo went in the RT wife have one. The little boy when he Bobby will grow up, he used to play soccer ball in the woods. Yes! One Bobby crossed the board. Oh no him. Jesus, hey, RT boss are working at the night, you know. RT has someone go to crime, man. I beat you. Until me feel tired, me done all cook and now get up and go eat, you mad? RT me have to feel good satisfaction before me go eat.
Alright, my people. So yes, Rajaf eventually lift up. So me no want to think in the comment section. You know what I mean? Cause cheese are going bad still, you know. Me nah like cheese are angry. RT and Blinga wicked. So make we hear what go on with do you know people and the youth with Momo I say RT do whatever. You go hear some more about him, you know. And Spice, you know. Spicy na some deep thing, you know, my people where boy RT boss I got lick her hard. So make we get tonight, you know. Alright, let me say this. You see RT them a go make you hear when Momo I say first scene and then do we a go talk, RT a go talk and then Queenie a go come in. So we a go through everything.
16. Alright. Room in New York, Queens. Me not play with. Me not give a one who right in the comments. And the next one, it was the next one. Him say, "Man, come on, come talk," but me I wait for him come. So make we talk now. He said 2016 in a hotel room. One of his mothers must have buy Obia from you all the while and trusted you with her. 15 is 25 now. It happened in 2016. Figure it out. And then come have a conversation. See, when you want to talk about man, when you dig grave, dig one, dig two. One thing, the worst thing you can do. Because that's all of them think you around, you know. But when the people them start telling me some things there, I say, who am I play with? Better you not go and cause blood clot, do you, and go on with the road. And big up yourself, big up the crew where you have up there, car. Them make my blood clot drop for this. Because if you never did say nothing, me never hear you say nothing about me, come over there, but me never stay over there. And them say, what about me? Say, what about me? Say, about you.
So the video where me I play, do it the panic, Momo the panic, everybody the panic, that do it vice. Now the reason why she come with the allegation, I do it me a war, I never she. So she a defend Dewey. So she a say, you a call Dewey Batman, because you know a Batman, me I say Dewey a Batman, because him just tell you say, I saw we stay. So Dewey so me I say Dewey a Batman, so she used the allegation for come for me, but you what me I say to everybody. It already in the court, but me just not talk about it. What in the court yet? We got in the court, in the newspaper, in the media, everywhere by a morning is me and Gracie. So even the little idiot one over there named Cheese, immigration don't get everything pan she. All I have to do is have my evidence. Do we come out here? Me have to respect him. I already have the video recording and everything saying we do it because it start from do it. Glory to God. It start from do it because everybody wants to know how it start. Me and Queenie are war, me call the man do it and that's where it start from. Now, do it the one who me and her fall out over the argument, come to be the one who come out and say, and makeup. Remember the boy in there already, you know. Remember nobody never seen a boy, you know. When this allegation out, me and Blinga stress, I said, Bling, but Momo na no money. Lord Jesus, what happen? When Spice come to blood clot a jackpot because she would have killed herself. No disrespect, do we? Me know I hear Queen say me, but just love me get me look at time. When she come, and that's true, seen here wall, me said to
she
myself,
draw
you
RT watching a
just
one queen, me say, no, and a queen of England. And you know,
all
from
right,
me say queen of
anything you
England,
want,
you know.
sis, but me don't want you feel like me don't know what side you're on. But when me I try to say is people, just understand.
Father, on my side alone, me depend man, I hear that, me on the queen side, nobody else side know that.
Alright.
So, now playing about it from me say wrong, me just have a tackle it from it no right, you see me?
So people that a code. The film style, that a code. But people, just to show you, me left Momo long time, you know. Cause remember me Momo idiot, you know. Momo start out long time. Me fix she, I quote me a drag, she and swear for her draws. Everything. Me not have. You know, me just want everybody know. Spice come right in on me hand. Me want the best of them see me get me victory. Me want you bet me say that even the baby sham pitney allegation can beat this. Because me can prove that. She can't prove it. Because it already have the lawyer. I'm already going to put out in the Observer and the Star. Cease and desist because she started. She going to get a blood clot last one. Her blood clot, you see. Me and her dirty blood clot. Bling, back in your show. Momo, Momo, the only thing I can tell you, you know. Only thing I can say, no, Momo. Only thing I can say to you, no, Momo. You no make no sense. You...
Alright, my people. So, we are going to hear some more from RT Boss and Dewey, you know. But it look like, say, Spice take up where Momo them did I say without knowing what really going on. And RT Boss, you know, I go, you know what I mean, take whatever him can from our Jaja. So make a watch some more here what go on, my people. This hot.
Momo, you give me a gift. Me eat it like a poison, but thank you for trap Spice to me, cause you don't make sense. Me with well one Gracie.
Send the request, Queenie.
One
But it's
Gracie.
what Queenie page there. Make
Me
okay.
Me not have no strength for
Send a request,
Momo. I have
Queen.
the strength for Gracie. Momo broke. So last week I go so. Me go spend 60,000 because who's my doing no money. Lord Jesus.
All right, may I come? Send a request, Queenie. Send a request. Hey.
Queenie send the request because I can't add it from here. So you have to send the request. Me see the wave, but you have to send the request. Let me see.
No, she has to send it to me. All right. Let me look for her. I just type something in the comments or something. You not hear me? RT, you hear me?
Yeah.
They report her live,
They might report you.
Them report
They might report you.
RT. Queenie, find one next page then. Log out and coming back. Send the request.
Everybody them a report.
Kite now show up on our side. Them have to report me because them know how we talk. So later them go up and conference. Go say this after that.
Then can't stop in front of too much platform there.
Listen, Mr. When Spice got to the video, Mr. Don't look what I better she there. I saw she low. Guys, Queenie, come, log out and you owe do an apology, no RT. Cause you him say we beat him bad for true, and you true we do it for true, and see him come back, see him come now, come and
No,
he make it
honestly,
right because him could have sit down with it, RT.
Yeah, because this is more you know.
Him could,
All of those careless people who are running on the internet, them don't make sense. The man will make sense, yeah. Because him the whole issue start from. Him and his wife, Queenie. This is the man where Depp on the video, where agree say he was there. This is the man who was on the phone telling us that the train someone to come out and say all of that. Me no need nothing more. Me win a case already. You know see?
So me asking that question, and I say me never debate on it. I when me know of it. Me not debate on it, cause at the end of a good day, them put me on the phone with that person wherein Uno never call me first. Him did been did the attack. You
Do it.
understand me?
The apology. We just want to put it out there. Him I go get it. And him I go get it publicly. The way how me want to do it.
For real, but
Oh my God. I'm so mad I can't add Queenie. Why I'm not seeing her?
hold on, let me see if I can find it. Send it to you. Hold on.
Yes, send him the live. Send her the live. Can't boss. None of them. Them can't boss you. This can't boss you either. We look on your page and you say you're the music youth. So think of Batman on your name youth and you act straight. You have to start act like Batman. You cannot act straight and have Batman on your name, brother. So you must know what you want to do right yourself from yourself. You need to come out and tell the people them, say the people them set you up to come talk, say RT hurt you. That's what you need to do. Stop take money from the people them. Them can't pay you. No 500, no 300, no $1,000 can't pay you because it's your reputation, youth. And Miss Bling the boat with the news and the reviews. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I know me see up on any blood clotting about you the music. And me see them a call up your name. Me coming for you. Me coming for you. Me gonna make the people them know say he's a batty man. Because batty call upon your name straight. So you must know what you gonna do. You either turn batty man or you clear this up.
So on the ear we do ya say my people. On the ear we do ya say him a go say some more things still, you know. You know what I mean? So him a talk like say him know what go on and who the youth is, cause even Blinga say here Blinga I the youth Blinga talk about a while ago, you know. You see me I say? So me want know if a real thing or what do we say Momo them do it for whatever, cause RT say Momo said because him a defend do it. You know what I mean? And now it on big sitting. So how it reach to that level yeah, if not no go so. I don't know if you think people. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Well, do it. Listen to me. Alright, let me see here. Just type something in a comment. Okay, Queenie 3.0, that's it. RT, you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, me send the request to her. Queenie, look if you see the something. I don't know. Me have to go fix that for of people because later hot topic. Chanel more me love. You know better come
You
out for
get
that one at
odd,
7
man.
o'clock tonight.
You get odd.
Yeah, I'm here. Okay. All right, Miss Bling. It's so life is do. That's why my grandmother said when you had to go, let dig two. You know, for one, when do I say to me, say, when them a question the youth, them call him on the live and something. So when she have the recording and do I say, do it the dead. Do it dead, yes, him hear everything. But him not have no proof to nothing. Excuse me. So she come now and tear me down. Do we say this for ya? Do we say that? Do we say this? Do this? So do we can't say back something about blood clot you now? The same for the same. It's how life is.
You're determined for destroy me and the man. All listen me and the man get together. Everybody come out from me and you still blood clot the pan for proof to me say do not want me. So, what you gonna say now? She desperate. She come say me not go on for me. But you can't make nothing go on for me. This not give me no money and no booking Momo. So we're calling your name now, put me in a blood clot where Kayana not no. You just want to discriminate my husband. Draw down my husband, draw down me and my husband relationship. Enough is blood clot enough. Up off our blood clot fender now, blood clot girl enough. And you can't get it again because it gone too blood clot far. You understand me? I cuss my husband because I make blood clot problem and the whole I cook up against blood clot. I want to see we come back together and recompensate. Done. People have blood clot real life out there one problem. You don't have no problem. You're perfect. You're nice. Leave me. I'm a bomber blood clot husband. Dirty blood clot bungle. Yeah, that's a code for truth. I used to do it. My lover do it freely come and talk because a couple days ago, he must say the one RT boss always a trouble me over there diss me. And me now go in there go say nothing. I've never go over there go say so I see the goddamn blood clot time. Just because you're mighty more than have a blood clot body. When there's a setup and I just want to bring down people and laugh. And then fart and blood clot birth. Yeah. Big up my husband. Me now start big up my husband. Do we a real youth? And the whole of our blood clot cantankerous when we're ready. But remember, as him say, the G do my bad. But me can't sit back and say, boy, them a bash him so. And she knows such a blood clot plan the man for bring down the man. You think that nice and you come ball boy, you have son. Go ahead. If RT guilty of wearing blood clot, the law will deal with him. And if for me come here, come judge him. That's why I do it, sir. Miss Bling beat him for 1 year, go 1 year come back. And RT, remember when me in the hospital, I'm call him, I say, RT, don't trouble my husband. Because my husband gave his respect when he came back. He said, Queenie, I see RT come out and dry out, make you go have fun. And just that alone for see him accept that. I see people are trying to tear him down. I have to stand by my husband. You understand me? See that now, RT? Alive, the same up. Me never know me and do that at the back on the platform. You understand me, Miss Bling? Yes, so with all due respect. And
Yes.
And I'll not for doing no clout of facts. And at the end of a good day, me class my blood clot husband and call him Batman, but no blood clot time I wear me think or know say my husband is a Batman. Never blood clot that my mouth awful and bad. And when me see him get blood clot, no, for blood clot gang up on me, me say, all right, man, I forgot going out the awful blood clot box now. But there's no blood clot where you can't get no proof, no way, no side, no blood clot terms. So when you want to take a blood clot problem for disrespect people and for fabricate story over people, remember everybody cuss everybody and call them Batman. Every man my Batman with me. Any blood clot partner me from my head chip to blood clot, move your Batman blood clot.
So, you see where sometimes you have to know where you are some people, because when Queenie go say them thing there and people did that done say them thing there already. Now, when people take it up and start say it, you can't feel no way because I hear first start say it. Not even first start, but you start say it. You see me? So, I want to tell me one thing, my people. Do we have to talk some more still? But one thing I know Queenie I go do, I defend her man. You see me? Yeah man, I know say that Queenie I go do. But big up to Queenie still. You know what I mean? But make a watch some more my people and hear what them I say.
So point is, if you cuss somebody and call them Batman, it not make it right, but when you are cuss. But when you go to the point for set up somebody, for humiliate somebody, for fabricate story and then I play innocent and good and perfect. But do it was me hear not nice, I think I call not nice name. Me hear not nice, do it don't trust nobody. If you think do it trust blood clot, you could have bring me blood clot down and do it give you that honor. Nobody to the man like him wife. Cause him know him wife have him back for better or for worse, in good or in bad. All when him do my 100 blood clot thing. Me still I stand up to him. And enough grief, do it grief in that, do it that crazy. You carry me down, you know, crazy. You do my bad on the internet, you know. A long time me I tell you crazy, so words can't take back. And when me see you now done, me never have no more blood clot chance more than for team up with blood clot them, and I understand that. But when I go fabricate story now, and I go set up, and go, and you're not perfect, girl, you're the wicked blood clot, you as a woman, and then want to fight down my girl power real. Me not fake blood clot, nothing. If do it hurt me, my ball out, same hurt me. You can't stand up to that because I'm real. You could never step in my shoes, nowhere. And come discriminate my husband, boy, you go box him. You go box my husband. You think me not blood clot member. And nothing make me a blood
That
clot.
me there wait for me can't see it. Me there in our place. Me there in your hometown, my friend. Me a wait for it same way, you know.
One
Yeah,
girl
man.
power.
She not no power, so she can't box. Where? You mad? Sick? There.
Yeah, man, you can't get up and feel like say you can't get up and fabricate story because you have advice and because that's doing so. You see the internet, it misled a lot of people. When me and the way I got to a problem, people say, a plan, them say a stunt, them
Well,
say
I
a
know,
shit.
Jay. Well, I know. You see, like how she have it in her mouth, say a stunt and plan. You see, if you not shut your big thinking mouth where you have a open up every minute, I just go chat when me no fi chat and a response. You hear that? Because in real life, my sister, we don't have no militancy, we don't have no gangster in our uno, we don't have nothing about uno. You see me? So you see, if you not shut your beak right now, girl, me I tell you the honest truth. All people enough for dry night, I go get dry night. You hear? Because you have your man where you claim to say you have, and him dead, and him man have funeral, and you could even go blood clot funeral. So at the end of a good day is nobody. Nobody will know you. Don't to all the man family no bumbuckler know you. You tell people, boy, you never want go. And the family never want you because at the end of a good man and the man nah put you up, the man nah hide your girl. So at the end of a good, you nah no chat on the internet, no time, nowhere. So when me see a boast and a brag, I talk, me no want talk what. I grow with morals. Certain things, no for talk. And if you continue, me I go talk. And you annoy me like a girl. You hear that? In a real life, no joke.
Yeah, man, she for grow, man. Blood clot depend. Them not happy, low we so we got you. A 6 month him depart for me, I'm hold it and stay and give the platform and say, take it, and you still blood clot stunted. You know when you go up a mere go run and when you come off your head and spin, I say your blood clot stunted. Don't blame blood clot me because you don't have a ras clot flow. You have to live off a queen and live off a people to have a platform. Low blood clot me, girl. Move a blood clot run like Miss Bling, but I send my husband naked blood clot picture with big purple heart. Move your blood clot and I come talk about you never want to do it.
Picture everything where you have with Momo. Send them to my phone. Queenie, give me number.
You know I love you for this. That we can't do this.
No, I'm not going to send it them,
I
RT.
love
I'm
you
not
for
going to send
this
it
with
them.
the RT. You know that?
Fuck that.
RT, me's a different type of gangster in RT. You hear that? My gangster by
You
law.
will have to chip to blood clot
Yeah,
before you
man.
get them the
She have to
RT.
chip
I
out
tell
my
you
braid,
that.
because right now she annoy me. She have to tease me if I tell her. Because at the end of the day, what she do, you see me? It no fear, you see me? So at the end of a good day again, me I come talk it truth. You see me? If she continue, me I go talk, me I go draw back people in an argument when I draw back. So she just need to leave me alone. And so me play by the game, you know, RT. I go on like me no know anything when you fuck with me, you know, me just tell you, say, yeah man, me did know, man, me just a play the fucking fool.
I
You
want
see
to
me?
say something to you, though.
Eh?
I want to say something, but you have to mute to you. Because when you come in, you
Alright.
know, echo. Mute to Queenie. Do it. I want you to know, sir. I want to put this as publicly. I want you to know, sir. Your evidence where you come with, not only Momo, I just say to you and Queenie, I just want to know, you know. Not only Momo, this evidence, I go think, this is going to hurt Grace Almington, the Queen of Dancehall. that is another judgment where people are going to beat on for. Because RT are going to sue. Him already a sue Momo and do everything, but the Spice one is a major bitter and a bubbleness.
Well, RT, that not have nothing to do with it. Listen,
Me, I
when I
just
come
have to
over
tell you
here
too,
sometime,
that not
hear
have a
me.
bumbuckly
When I
thing to
talk
do
with
with
them
me at
from
all.
at
You
the
hear
end of
that?
a good day.
In a real life. That not have nothing to do with me. The same person where them a hide and a talk say they want to come out, them need to take him out of the closet and make him come talk. Cause that me have to tell you.
Yeah, we not business where you
We not
want to
business
RT.
in a
That's
that.
your
You
journey.
hear
This
that?
is what you have to
So
do.
anything where you want to do, you do it.
Yeah, as my husband said.
One thing me know RT boss, me can't get locked up. Me can't get locked up. Cause the end of a good day, me
You
never
know involved. You know nothing. You know nothing.
No, me just I tell you, me never just tag along with the argument. If you notice, me tell you one time, say, yo, you this and you that and whatever may be the case. Me no strength on that, my father, because at the end of the day, me no evidence of it, and me no source for no evidence, and me no want no evidence, cause you see a man live it, I feel him live it, I feel him life, I him want live him life, or him want live him life. Me can't tell a man how to live him life, cause how him feel comfortable, him a go live. You see me? So, I don't want nobody tell me how to live my life, because I know me I live it straight, and me I live it. My conscience now bother me when me I go my bed at night time. So, I don't want nobody tell me how me to live. So, at the end of a good day, people have for them issues, them go deal with for them issues. Me can't help them. Them have to help themselves. You
Same
see me?
here.
Yeah.
As she planted, so whatever she plants, she reap. So anybody will cut along with it, them deal with it them way, but we are talking about her, because my husband was there. So if him never smart, they would have drive out tonight from in November. But him just sit back and say, me not let you know that. I'm here,
Hey, people. Queen, it turn up strong with do, you know. Strong, you know. Big woman thing, you know. Yeah, no. So, I want to tell me what you think in the comment, my people, because right now, I want to see it, the way I say, and a real thing, more them are put out. You see me? And him know. So, right now, RT boss, him have the upper hand, you know, for the way him want to do. And it look like say him go take out everything for Spice. Cause a Spice have the money. She no star. So we are gonna hear some more people and then we are gonna end it.
everybody have mouth, everybody have opinion, but the internet, when something fling pan it, and them all it is a hell of a thing. You know much days do we I say, the one RT boss do my body no. And I mean, the day when them a talk to the youth and I press the youth for do this, and I say, me not pay them the mind. See that the truth come to life. Because you think you're a bullbuck and double canker, you can't go in a people life and just in a people blood clot life, and it's all about you. You have to remember we're good for the goose is good for the gang. And that's when on a bash blood clot, my whole it and bash to blood clot bash. You want chat people, you want get up, you want every day in a mix up. I went bashing take blood clot. Big up Miss Bling. Cause as much as them back blast blood clot, Bling, she sit down there and take them. Sometimes she sit down like she not even here. But yeah, baby, I mean, if I mean, leave me and my husband alone, man. Give me a break show. Me not have nothing for bust up, darling. Come run up a blood clot lyrics. My mouth dry now. Yeah, my mouth get
Send
dry
gift,
out now.
guys. Send gift. Do it. Let me reason with it for a second. Mute the queen, say it echo. Alright. I come to understand, say, both of you see it. You say, sure, I'm in business with nobody business. So we not do nothing. While we there, I say, we not do nobody business, we not fix for nothing. The girl come trouble, come here, see what I go on. She come trouble, and she come for do ya and I tell lie. Cause you she
Oh,
come
do it
for.
some stink. That's what she sing for the
Yeah.
RT.
So
I
it's
mess with
like,
a bitch I can't done.
me know, but you also I say, do it, see it, and I say, hey, look what them I do to RT, but you not mind on the business, and the girl come food, me just have come
Simple.
talk the
The one I
truth.
will bad.
So we start the truth. Now we understand that. Big up to that. So now me can say to you now, all these years with me, me and you work, we look at business, what you feel like say we fuck up. Well, we can say me and you even. Because the truth come from your husband here. So me and you even, everybody's quit. Now where theme side is now, I understand where I say, Because for him also to come out here, to come say that, nobody go feel like him a sideline with me, because them done and say me a fish long time. So it really take a guts for him come out here to come speak the truth.
True.
You understand? So me
That's
a
why
read.
she say me and a man, I go sure say me a blood clot, man. See me Sam say.
Man, same way, so I tell my wife this morning, because I watch the whole thing and you see me, I say this girl just a chat tough. You really have to take me, you know that. And when you have to take people, in a real life, you just have to push people to the edge we're in. Them just have to do the real thing. A real thing, you see me? And a real thing I come do. You see me? Because as I say, I never business with it in RT, straight to God, Whereas when me say Mama Spice touch it, me tell myself say me nah have nothing to do with it. But when me see she a go ananan, and me I say in a real life, you go ananan about something wearing. It's not true, fam. You see me, I fabricate story because at the end of a good day, you only have one recording of this person. You don't have a second recording. You understand, sir? Fair enough for me just come make the ear know, say, watch a style there. I know they say ball game did there. You see me? Alright, you say it there.
To God be the glory. Great
And him hear him. I trick the people them. And I tell the people them, oh, it is reported to the federal government. Okay, fine. It's reported to the federal government. Right?
Idiot, watch
How is
mama.
it? How is it?
Mama, Blingers. It reported to the federal government. This man a 15, him a 20 at now. And not no come out tight. Man, you no move on the ass with that, no man and go one side, man.
Not only that, me come out brawling after Spice come say, Blinga, me I go see if you go sit down backside of RT. And me come out brawling and say, I stand with RT. Me, Blinga Nears, the whole of we stand with RT. Why the mother not come say, for a big woman, imagine this happened to my son and you still not even that. None of that. None of that. But the people them are gonna beat me left, right. So that means that anybody just can't come tell you anything. I don't believe. Me tell you this blood clot. Me the really stink panda blood clot up here. I know two of them a try bring me down and me tell them so to come with facts. Cause this not come nice.
Alright, so people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Wanna hear what Blinga say? Wanna hear what do we say? Alright. What Blinga say I know, say anybody can come tell you anything I wanna believe. Enough thing me hear Blinga come tell you. I expect you to believe. Enough thing me hear RT boss come tell you. And them expect you to believe. So take what Blinga say. Don't believe everything people come telling you. You see me? So right there, so me I need people.